Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today's topic is nature and scope of economics and stages in the study of economics. For defining the scope, following questions need to be satisfied. Number one, subject matter. Subject matter of economics is a human behavior, which is related with the scarcity of resources and unlimited wants. Scarcity of resources means limited resources and unlimited wants. Briefly, we can say economics deals with the decisions about what commodity to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Secondly, science or art. Economics is both a science and an art. It is a science because economists use scientific methods in their analysis. Economic conditions they study in a systematic manner. Then they establish a relationship between cause and effect. As far as this side is concerned, economics is a science. But when we come to the problem of scarcity, economics becomes an art also. Scarcity of resources compels people to make choices about goods and services. Since making a good choice is a tough or a difficult phenomena, so making choices makes economics an art. Then positive or normative science. Economics has both positive and normative aspects. Positive economics is concerned with facts. For example, percentage of population engaged in agriculture in Pakistan is falling. This is positive fact. Then normative economics uses value judgments. For example, government should control prices. This is a normative statement. It makes economics normative science. Social problems. Economics is a social science. In a society, economic activities of the people are interdependent. Economics has nothing to do with the problems and activities of any particular individual. It is a general study of a society as a whole. That's why we say solutions of social problems are discussed in it, social problems are studied in it. Solution of practical problems. Many people think that economics will tell them secrets of successful business or industry and will help them to make a maximum amount of money, and it helps them to become a business tycoon. It is not like that. Most of the real problems of the life cannot be solved through economics only. Rather, a combination of various branches of knowledge plus practical experience plus common sense is required. Major areas of study of economics are money, banking, national income, prices, inflation, economic growth, economic development, etc., etc. Stages in the study of economics. There are 3 stages in the study of economics. Number 1 is descriptive economics. It is related with the description of facts. Second is economic analysis, collection of fact and then analyzing the relationship between those facts is known as economic analysis. Economic policy, suggesting policies for solving problems is the third stage and it is known as economic policy. Descriptive economics. Descriptive economics deals with the collection of facts only. But the gathering of facts about any problem is not an easy task. The real world is very complex, where innumerable facts exist in interrelated form. So, a careful selection of facts, of important and relevant facts, is to be made. Facts and information gathered for some predetermined purpose and presented in a systematic manner so that it makes sense to read. This is known as descriptive economics. Economic analysis. Second stage in the study of economics is economic analysis. Economic analysis is related to economic theories. It is said that theories without facts may be barren, but facts without theories are meaningless. So, when an economist presents the interrelationship of variables, it is known as economic analysis or economic theory. Means observing particular patterns among facts and presenting the interrelationship of facts is economic analysis or economic theory. Economic theories are the general statements about the relationship of economic variables. And the third stage is economic policy. Economic policy means suggesting appropriate ways to the problem. Economic theories provide us basis to suggest appropriate actions for the solution of economic problems. So, after analyzing facts, what we do is appropriate actions taken to solve the problem. Action plan for removing any economic ill from the society is also known as economic policy. Suppose we study the problem of unemployment in Pakistan. We collect and present data. This is descriptive economics. Next, we analyze and establish the relationship between possible factors which cause unemployment. This is known as economic analysis. And finally, if we recommend steps to solve the problem of unemployment, it is known as economic policy. The three branches of economics are closely related to each other. Descriptive economics is related to economic theory. Economic theory is related to economic policy. Thank you very much, students. This is all for today. Till next lecture, enjoy yourselves and take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.